Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2003 Mazda 6 Classic Sedan, stock reference number 4675. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 12th month 2007. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, chrome radiator grille, mesh type, left-hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, ball tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage, large spoiler type. Right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. We have the rear headrests, handbrake lever with a little bit of chrome missing off the button, gear stick, automatic type, heater controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.